accompanying yourself on the accordion if you're playing your left hand. So just these sort of deeper musician concepts of accompaniment, I would say, at least in this genre. So I'm going to build the tension. And then on the release or at the B section, now all of a sudden I'm quiet. And I would be following the lead of the energy of the lead player. So here's to the G, rootless voicing, some open voicing. There, I've got the melody. Now we have like a walk down. And a break might be nice. Ash. I don't know this keyboard. Okay, so some other fills and stuff like that, and you can do little instrumental fills, little melodic fills. I mean, bo ba dum, be de do do da da, bo bum, be. Oh, I say that'd be better because it goes to the next chord. Be de bo, and you see how when I hit the resolution, it's softer. Whatever. So you can fit them in there around the melody. It's just don't get in the way of the melody. Make sure you're just really sort of yes-anding the melody. Okay, cool. The left hand. Let me work on the visualizer here. So if you're playing Django music with a guitar player, at least one guitar player, I would say, don't try to pomp right along with them. This visualizer, I need to kind of drag the curtains. Let me check in with the OBS though, because I wasn't looking at the chat. Let's see. Useful if you land on the wrong key. Introverse unlocked. Yeah, that's right, Sarah. I'm looking at old comments now. Okay, cool. I was just looking at those comments. So, Pompe. So often. I'm just playing the triad, and if I was playing two hands together, maybe the 7 and 9 and other parts would be in my right hand. So I do a lot of these little walk-up things. 1, 2, 3, 4, Paulette. 1, 2, 3, 4, Paulette. 1, 2, 3, 4. I wouldn't do it that much. That would be way too much. But you get the idea. So it's if my target note is a C, I start 2 half steps above. So the D flat, or a C sharp, and then the C. So I'm really going, let me clean this up a little bit. I'm going there, that D, that C sharp, and that C. You could go here. Let's see, I need to get to a B, yeah. So just there. Now I gotta show you the B flat diminished here, and here, and here the 2 chord. should be into the 2. Should have been to the B flat. That's the chords there. Let me do the B section. The form of the song is AABA, which makes it relatively easy to memorize, and a very, very lyrical and repetitive motif. So we're going to move into the key of the 5. So we're tonicizing the 2 chord, an A minor 7. So it's A minor 7, D7, G major. Alright, so there's the left hand. Maybe the C minor 7 here. If it's a 2-5, I might do it. I'm feeling a 2 feel. I need a 4 feel. Maybe bump. 2, 3, 4. I'll go a little faster. Let me tell you what that was. That worked out really, really nicely. It says F sharp over B minor, but I did just F sharp over D, which would not clash with a guitarist or a bass player or anything. You have the correct bass note, and this has the notes of B minor, just not the B. That was pretty. Isn't that pretty? And then I got my E minor off the counterbass. Now I keep going, making that 2-5, but it doesn't work. It's just got to stay on the C minor. I should play the D. All right. That is the left-hand chords. I generally strip everything down to simpler chords for left-hand accompaniment, especially if I'm playing like La Pompe. So if you, person watching this stream out there, were playing the melody, I would do it 2 hands together, maybe. And then I would create some syncopation between my 2 hands. Hear how it's, the left hand is going to stay on these quarter notes. Quarter, 2, 3. But you can't see that B flat. Visualize a work in progress. 1, 2, 3, 4. So syncopate. A minor. Right? This is way harder to do than it looks. Give it a shot out there. It's not easy. But it's so cool. I keep wanting to go to that 4. Accompaniment. So I have a general feel, 3, 4, and then it needs these little things to help it. See how, especially at the end of the bar, 3, around 4, I do stuff to create some little syncopations. Usually not too much busyness at the beginning of the bar, and not too much because I don't want to like put the melodist in a box. And then we're at the second ending. So I'm definitely starting to get into improvisation there, but I wanted to show how my left hand would support in the cases where I am playing 2 hands accompaniment for an invisible unknown melody here, or when my left hand plays accompaniment for my right hand. I try to keep it intelligent. It shouldn't be on autopilot. Really, the left hand should never be on autopilot. It should always be intelligent and deliberate and done. I think that is maybe a misnomer or a fallacy of understanding. Like, we do work to make the left hand automatic in a sense, but creatively, when we're playing creatively like this, we should never be sort of like disassociated from our left hand. It should always be something that we're with and hearing ideas for and that sort of thing. But it requires a ton of practice in the direction of getting it automatic, because you want to have all of the nervous system training that you can just go, left hand, I need a B flat diminished. Okay. And you don't have to be like, oh, the intellectual brain doesn't have to go, shoot, I'm on an A minor. Where do I find a B flat diminished? You know, It can just go there. In that sense, it is automatic. But in the creative expressive senses, it's not automatic. You're very aware of the left hand. You're making choices and decisions, even though they were like in the moment and intuitive. You know, why did I do that? I couldn't tell you, but I felt it. You know, that's the sort of thing that we're at. So practice, practice, practice. A wonderful tip